Hi everyone and welcome back. I know I said in my last video that it was the easiest way of making pearls, but here is actually an even easier way to get that effect. But I think this is an even more gorgeous effect. The pearls that happen here are they're so defined, absolutely perfect pearls. And why is it even easier? Well, because I'm using the same products. I'm using the Boom Gel Stain and straight out the bottle. There's no need to dilute, no need to mix with anything, just use straight out the bottle. And I know it sounds counterintuitive. Those of you who have done pearl pours, you know that the paints have to be fairly thin and they have to move fast over the other paints, and have to be, like I said, quite thin so that the pearls will pop through. But I swear there's just something in this white paint that is just incredible, and it produces these really gorgeous pearls. So what I've done is just put the white down, and that's the Stirlin Wax White. And I've created a sort of a well in the middle of it. So hopefully the white won't completely take over like it has done in the past. And then I'm just pouring the Willie Wagtail Black there in the middle. And I'm going to tilt it as before. Just wanting the black to go over the white. I noticed that the white is ever so slightly thicker and moves slower than the other paints. So that's why I think this is happening as well. So the thinner of the paints, although it is very thick, is still laying on the top. And what I want to do next time, instead of just using black, the reason I just used black in this one is because I wanted to prove to myself that the first time I realized this reaction, that it wasn't just a one-off, that this is actually something that happens with the Boom Gel. So yeah, next time what I want to do is use colors as well as the black on top and see how that reacts. But for now, this is, you know, like I said, just a way to confirm to myself that these paints really do react the way I said. Oh, and my apologies for the canvas being out of the frame a little bit there. I'm still a little bit new to this YouTube stuff, but I will get my head around it. I'll try. Okay, and yeah, all I'm doing here is just tilting. I'm adding a little bit more black because I didn't add quite enough there at the start, and I'm just tilting it until all the paint is, well, not all the paint, but paint is over the edges, so that the cell reactions or the pearl reactions can then start, and I can leave it undisturbed. And the what I think helps is the fact that Boom Gel being a ready mixed paint, you have to sort of, well, I think you have to shake the bottles a little bit at least before you pour, just in case the ingredients have separated somewhat. And that obviously creates air bubbles. And then when you pop the air bubbles with your torch, that helps those pearls come through as well. But I know that's not the only thing, because these pearls are just completely something else. I've never seen anything like it. And like I mentioned in my last video, I discovered this completely by accident. Don't know, some of you probably or might have tried this before. If you have, let me know in the comments. I'd love to hear if you've noticed this reaction before. If not, hopefully you'll get a chance to try. Oh, and while I'm here still talking, I would really appreciate it if you could subscribe to my channel and just hit the notification bell while you're there, and then you'll get notified when I post the next videos. Like I said, I probably will try with colors as well as the black as the top layer next. I'm excited to see how that happens, and I might stretch the paint by spinning it. I'm looking forward to seeing how that works as well. Okay, so I'm just going to speed up the rest of the video. It's quite a long video because you have to give the pearls a lot of time to pop through and to develop. So I'm going to speed up this video, pop some music on for you, say thank you very much for joining me, and I'll see you next time. See ya. Bye.